Today we will start with the reaction of metals and non-metals with acids and bases. We will start with the activity in which we will take metal, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid and a mastic. Take a piece of zinc metal and drop it into both the beakers containing acid. Note the observation. You will see that the reaction is taking place in both the beakers and a gas is evolved. You will test this gas with the help of mastic. If you bring a burning mastic close to the mouth of container, you will hear pop sound like this, showing that a gas evolved is hydrogen tide plus hydrogen gas. Similarly, in second beaker, zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. It produces zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas is produced. Therefore, we have concluded that zinc metal reacts with acid, it produces hydrogen gas. But that we have metals with different reactivities. There are certain metals which are very reactive. They react with acid quickly, while there are metals which does not react with acids. For example, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, all these elements which lies above hydrogen, they are normally reactive metals and they react with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as with dilute sulfuric acid. They produce hydrogen gas, while copper, mercury, silver, gold are less reactive elements. They does not react with acid to produce hydrogen gas. Let us see the diagram table. In this we have taken magnesium, aluminium, iron, copper metals, and they are separately placed in hydrochloric acid and in dilute sulfuric acid. It is observed that metals like magnesium, aluminium and iron, they not only react with dilute hydrochloric acid at room temperature but on warming also. Same observation is made with sulfuric acid. It is observed that the reaction at room temperature is slow, while when the same solution is warmed, at that time reaction takes place fast and more bubbles of hydrogen come out. While the metal, that is copper, neither it reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid nor with dilute sulfuric acid. Similarly, charcoal, sulfur, which are typical non-metals, they also don't react with dilute HCl and dilute sulfuric acid. Thus, we can conclude that metals generally react with acids to produce hydrogen gas, while non-metals and less reactive metals like copper does not react with dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4 to produce hydrogen gas. Similarly, we will perform another activity. In this activity, we will take freshly prepared solution of sodium hydroxide and put 2 to 3 pieces of zinc metal and note the observation. It is observed that a gas is produced when zinc metal or aluminium metal or magnesium metal is dropped into sodium hydroxide solution, and the gas evolved produces pop sound with burning mass stick, showing that metals reacts with sodium hydroxide, while the reaction of non-metals with bases are quite complex and it is not up to your syllabus. Thus, metals react with bases and they produce hydrogen gas.